Now let us see the difference between these three economics: centrally planned economics, free economy or market economy, or mixed economy. First point, the centrally planned economics, all the activities means production, consumption and investments, they are controlled by the government. Centrally planned means these all like the activities are they are in the hand of, their control is there in the hand of central authority. Like you take North Korea, okay, Russia, North Korea, okay. Next is free economy. These economics where the economic activities are controlled by the market forces. Market forces means if there is a demand of that good, they will continue production of that particular good. Mostly the market activities are based on demand and supply, okay. Next one is mixed economy. These economy where the activities are free play of market forces but are regulated by the government. Means what? Here the government have the control on the economic activities as per for the social benefit, for the social growth of people. Means they see the market forces also and the social development also, okay. Next is economic decisions are driven by the motive of social welfare. In the centrally planned economy means every activity which is done there in the economy is for the social welfare, okay. Next is whereas in free economy decisions are driven by the motive of profit motivation. In USA or all advanced countries, you see all the activities, what force is there behind these activity? Only the profit motive. Now comes to the mixed economy. Mixed economy, here we see profit maximization and social welfare both. You always keep in your mind India as a mixed economy. Free economy, you take example, keep America, and centrally planned Korea or Russia. You keep this in mind. Everything will become very clear to you. Next is the consumer is not sovereign. Means the central authority decides what goods are to be produced for the people. Means if any producer want to produce any particular product, this is not free for him, because government will take the decision whether to produce that good or not, whether to do that activity in the economy or not, centrally planned. Whereas in the free economy, the consumers are masters. Means consumers are demanding any good, according to them the production will start according to their choices. Next is in the mixed economy, the consumer is sovereign. However, public distribution system means PDS ensures the supply of essential goods to the consumers. Essential goods means the essential requirement must be fulfilled, then after production of any good can be taken place in the economy, okay. Next is most resources are controlled or owned by the government. The government decides or what price the goods are to be sold in the market. Means the prices are determined by the market, by the government in controlled economy or planned economy. Whereas in free economy, the prices of any commodity are controlled by the people, or the market determines. If there is demand of a particular good, the price of that commodity will go up. If the demand is there more, they will fix the price according to their will and wish in a free economy. Means producers are free. Whereas in mixed economy, resources are controlled both by the government or by the people. So prices are determined by the market. क्योंकि government is also controlling. You can take the example of this time lockdown period. The government has controlled all the ration items. है ना. whatever is supply or ration items, the government has fixed the rate कि on this rate you have to sell these particular items. So means controlling is there on the basis of government as also of people कि people are having such a purchasing capacity, according to that only the product will be there in the market. Next one is public sector dominates the economic activity. Public sector means government authorities. They dominates means they have full control on the economic activities, whereas in free economy, private sector, or in mixed economy, both public and private sector. Now I think now this differentiate between centrally planned, market economy or mixed economy is clear to you.